Alright guys, I'm Akuapem to the back campus vibe GH. Chana de be a can and patron subscribe ya in tempano subscribe ya my no beka ebusia ko ne ho. Na we na esha share to share a man tokwa. No sha won se ma de omo kon tokwa. Omo nsa ne omo ano eneka. Omo ano no kra eka mo sen omo nsa. Inti nim show we de. Enche bia na chese omo di abegu. Eni se MDK an ye roro ho. Ni ho abebon rap no more matches. Yeah, beef na take it different level altogether. In tempano yen kwa nshem ni name. Inti beef is na kind of share edifi Sista Derbie any fella medical agent in finfin. Inti medical birthday and Sista Derbie a posty sweet X. Post no call viral or ye nyom crowd fa na enyom no as your true shades e dia man ex-boyfriend na medical. Na yin nim senior medical any fella. And Sista Derbie story ni na akoye. And Sista Derbie drop it sweet X no. And a fella ebe than nyum tuning by force and I should drop it over. And in him show and they say we 1-1 draw in the case ni na ewo ha. Na Akuapem Poloo in should no bedroom no ye serious allegation the Sista Afia say Sista Afia on a low key on a medical echo out fella in him hoshe na I was fella careful because I know Sista Afia I shall go now I know boy ni baby and I stay if you are a buffet and I know so at 2 man na I say Akuapem Poloo enya nyum tini no and no koye Instagram banter wait to now we are and see ho and Sista Afia releasing the first day song our friend in WMT njidi se mu nyina mu ni madekwa WMT no wo maame baby na sha nyum no ene provide foundation na ma rap na agini hin ye abebi akodo no ye won hwe kra trese enyi na sha WMT enyum no na Sista Afia to even begin with no o share rap lines na ene lyrics ya wo no any flow na o yo bi outai medical pa bonje enyumi any flow ye de trese if medical antena but hey ya fanya shem ena Sista Afia eto ne rap song in WMT no na se o hwe sa WMT nyum na lines ni bi etrese wo ex in fiwa na adane wo this song siaba o te siaba enyo bi na be ka tro wo be hu bebe fi ena ko shan so e kan wo WMT nyum no se ope aware afa o size na jaji mi na fa o height into when na ye job sha chese Sista Afia eto ediama Sista Derbie senior mechanic it is alleged chese o hwe rap no lyrics no content na ena flow na medical na she chia chese o tro nyum ne ma Sista Afia e ma Sista Afia e be true jobs no de ma Sista Derbie ankosi ho Inya beka ya bayi bi afa no Eno Barony. Na Eno Barony start to share oye rap battle e Ghana ha na che ache papa ye. Ba obehwa Ghana no oye pure rap like hardcore rapper na nya commercial and time ko papa. Inti guys no they saw the trick early and I saw them when they started going commercial more danceable songs and lyrics are very friendly and collaborate me to that people can easily relate with. Lyrics are all market are own brand. I ain't violence, more of or don't know and that kind of thing. But also because hardcore rap and a battle rapper does not really show any commercial value. And the Eno Barony shall so your rap battle. Our Kasahari and it's a program in your can a check papa you know by being sure na noa wo papa. Rap no so at a rap game na se also on rap goddess no enti se ima be fina rapper be ma ntimi fan be fini feature because ade no ono ne queen no enti once we rap territory nim there or say onya adaje mo na ono so a reply anka enya de fa no ho in any way because yam boni din wom nso o say once a rap ono na rap goddess for Ghana no oye bibi a rap na oye oba or so beji permission one permission or be reply and obeje ade iswaye and Eno Barony at the rap goddess. I bet to na rap goddess no just say in some room no as you see grey lines ni be say ope enam area na wili atwinity epie when the park any really no when the logical reasoning or say wa hu be ya kika akọ other lines are e was rap no say in tuntum si brema shwa ho a or the nyansa netenete nso hwe jimifo no or the ahompopo at point age enim guasia se ntuntum si brema shwa ho a or the nyansa netenete nso hwe jimifo no or the ahompopo at point age enim guasia. Mean translate it. If there is a mosquito on a man's testicle or shwa, you ward off the mosquito gently, but see, this crazy person is going to rush by hitting hard at the mosquito, forgetting that it will end in tears. It's any rap goddess no. Of course, to two jobs baby or shine. Unfortunately, YouTube copyright intend to me and for any intro, but then you can go to Eno Barony channel no, and you see that song. Then the title is Rap Goddess. It's not just a way I bear one draw. Sista Afia release WMT and can for Eno Barony home and Eno Barony edify and I know she the Rap Goddess by and which no so I feel they say I want one draw, but they be that Sista Afia auntie I say ni inti I say Eno Barony be reply no because na sem na fan no and or the she got nerves a bit too much. The second day song no she got nerves na she had this song no best 80% Sista Afia there na she got nerves nyom no once again ote rap no na ote lyrics no na she ote flow no na she ote words ni bia Sista Afia use ya you can only draw a logical conclusion say enyom no highly possible say MDK natural enyom no na enyom she got nerves na Sista Afia release here no lines ni be room ni say rapper wa say beef burger and I just the car we say o hwe Eno Barony structure na o say okodi asha na sha line man ti asha because we Sista Afia only Eno Barony mo structure ni na yepe asha eno cry yi kakra na we na mo yepe into wa we say onko di asha no na won hwe and I say achonyum na mo na otokra na won say jabs ni bia koma wan kasha wan anka o de yi film anyway oto no sha and knowing very well say Eno Barony ye battle rapper no we all knew say on my seminar kwada or be reply and she really went hard and Eno Barony be really arguments done na sa arguments done no in sema Eno Barony hwe gu say nyum no inti argument done nyum no in semni bia Eno Barony e kan we nyum na ache say akọ for MDK no ayi na ye hwe nim say bia MDK be reply and I shall reply no ya betu ebune di ye lines ni bi dia bro I say wo so tum ghost writer no na mihia no enti Eno Barony patrimwa I say is the fair rap songs now the band the songs now the band ni na no ghost writer bia otisho to na enye Sista Afia kan no face ghost writer na nkasha na kana o hwehwe no enti o shashe e wo sha intro no na afi bi sha rapper ben or tissue to ana exactly rapper ben or tissue to my Sista Afia e kan wan shemi and secondly Eno Barony so addresses sa dia sa line na Sista Afia kan no I say me no ina no the same size and so I say ina ye call dia sa and there's nobody shaming exactly and I think that's an intelligent one. The killer point I was saying no I say your punch is medically weak. Don't try me. I am strong man. and it will only take an intelligent rapper to play with words like this and still make sense. Exactly. Now introduction of arguments down no I say apart from say remember feature mo ho omde ko enim no ima no de che beef na mo pese mo ye na beef no so mo ya mo yi mo ho enim enye niye na che se ode de aka nyina ebebo mu Eno Barony, I don't doubt her delivery. She can call out any rapper at all, including Shakode, including Strongman, and she will still be able to deliver. I mean, why we are, and she knows what she's about. And guys, say na in na econo. And you should name say be a medical reply and then I could done double bar medical or reply. Ebimu beka se adenti na ma ekon tokwa odo ano abetu. One reply so though say Eno Barony I finish your career. Unim senya Ghana antin she de da. Ye beti yiwa ma bibia yo. So I really don't envy medical cause move bi obe take bia no. Ebe style bi. Ye nchen no man kan comments ni bia eba Eli Kofi say Eno Barony be the female version of Strongman or share. Where should they give dirty rap spice? If medical reply pe, them go dish make fella left him again. And it's true. Unim Eno Barony won't say like she's built for this. And now the armor and she say Eno Barony say your punch is medically weak. She actually finished the shot give medical through in reply to Sista Afia. Kille Willie joint and Kamejimi say Eno Barony and Sista Afia beef has just become interesting now that Eno has punched medical. Your rap is medically weak. I am strong man. Hey Eno, this girl threw the punch at medical with such elegance. Medical must reply now. Or therefore bills say Eno Barony murder your ghostwriter and his wife. Eli Kofi say right now just two thoughts running through medical's mind. If you reply, Eno Barony go end in career. If you no reply, the whole Ghana go talk say he dey fear Eno. I don't know what you are going through as you are reading this tweet, but MDK at the moment is going through worse. And I kill really joint attention, but I say Eno Barony track 20% was for Sista Afia and 80% for medical. All the shots were fired at medical. From Hum to ghostwriter to John Boy and all. Eno Barony really didn't romance on this track. It was straight doggy indeed. Alright guys, so what do you think? Medical ever reply ana onja asem no man nko. And do you really think say this say Eno Barony and the medical ever fra bifia ekoshin and we are Eno ayano e best shan the carrier no e be man extra leverage biana. And is it good for the industry, especially also female side of Ghana rappers? Is it really good for the industry? Guys, thank you, and please don't forget to leave your comments down below. This is Campus Vibe GH. We are with you, one big family.